Welcome back. Right, now, wasn't planned to be my first job, but I just pulled this up because I thought it was a conker. But it's actually a walnut. So, the squirrel has actually done something good. So I'm going to be putting that in a pot because I'd love a walnut tree. Stick it in some water for a minute, but I'm going to put my tomatoes in. So, yeah. Right. Now, I was watering this bed because it was so dry, but I've thought I'm not gonna do it anymore because I'm gonna put let's get the bin out of the way. Put the plant pots next to them, keep the top dry, which will help them. We'll get them in. I've already pre-done my labels. Got my blood, fish and bone. Give them a bit of that. All I'm doing in this one is Moneymaker and Gardener's Delight. I've been really, what's the word? Traditional this year with my tomatoes. Not so many, although some of the beefsteaks that I did last year were lovely, you just don't get that many on them, and I just eat tomatoes like there's no tomorrow, really. So we will just have a look. Yeah, they're all right. Give them a little bit of feed. And then plant them in. And then what I'm doing, not with those ones though, because I need those again. God, going to sink a pot in next to each one, and then I can water down into that. And label wise, I'm not using the other one, I'm using the same ones as I used on my potatoes. I'm going to put that bit out there because I'm going to knock that fly. And I am just going to, if I can remember which way around to do these. God. I'm going to put them on the top there. Yeah, that's better. And just put that next to there. I'm going to get 8 in here because I still left the canes in here from last year, so there should be plenty of room. I didn't have any problems. And that, as long as you keep the airflow good around them. Got 8 and I've got, I'll tell you what, maths was never my strong point. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3. No, that is right. No, I am right. God's sake. Oh, that's a bloody great spider. Right. Go on. Bugger off at that end. Go on. Ugh. Right, ignore it. Right. 1, 2. Yeah. Oh, go on. Go on. Move. Move. Oh, Jesus. Makes me extremely nervous. Oh, Jesus. Yay. First lot. In. Right, now, before we do anything else, put the other labels on. Right. That's those done. Do some more now. Right, let's give these a water. I will give them a bit round. Oh, around the roots. Pot up. There we go. Right, grow well, little ones. Just got, I mean, I've still got all my Nagina and that to go out, but I've got celeriac to go out. I'm going to go and do my brassicas in a minute. I could do the marigolds now, couldn't I? Yeah, let's put some of those in while we're at it. There we go. Put them in there because I've got this lot to do. I definitely need to get an irrigation system put in here. Mind you, I said that last year and I still haven't sorted it, so just back to doing this by hand. There we go. Right. Now, in the extension, Sounds posh, doesn't it? Right, we are going to put, might be a bit tight, but they'll be fine. They'll be fine. I am going to put my cucumber. Got cucumber, my gherkins, and then my honeycomb. So, I didn't bring the pots, did I? This might actually want a bit of watering before I plant these, because that is really, really dry. Got roots, that's always a bonus. I may well top this bed up a little bit. Where did I put my pots? Brain cells, come on. Well, it just actually started raining and now it's stopped. I just wish it would either pour down or not bother, because what it is doing isn't worth anything. Right, do you? Did you put those labels around the right way, didn't I? Yeah. It's got some better roots on it. I don't think I probably needed to have watered that hole, because this is very wet. And then you're going to need a big hole. There we go. That is greenhouse number 1, all planted up. Job done. My birdhouse gourds have been in the greenhouse for a few days now, so I'm going to plant them up now. Am I doing right or wrong? Let's put you on there by planting 2 in here. What the hell? We'll do it. This isn't going to be very easy because they've got so tall. I've got to try and do it without snapping it off. Oh, God, don't break. Oh, right. Leave that one there for a minute. Let's get that out of there. I'll just wind that. I don't know what I've done with my pin now. Right, we will Tie a knot around there. And I push that in there. And then carefully wind you God, come on, nearly there. That'll do. Right, that's one. Yeah. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, won't you? I am going to, if I can find what I've done with them, I am going to whip off the flowers at the moment so that he can, there's another one there. Put all his energy at the moment into doing well underground. Right, I'll get the next one in. Okay, that's those two in. Now the other two, I've got lent up against here at the moment. They're actually going to go outside. I will find somewhere for those two because I think 4 is going to be too many in here.